Param Shanti, looking at this photo, everyone must be wondering that Bapuji said there will be a multiverse of 200 Kala. So what is this 200 to 500 Kala? As it is said, Bapuji has particularly provisioned it for those souls who will be given special powers, or for those souls who are receiving power. Like that. The souls of 200 Kala, 300 Kala. So where will these souls be placed in the multiverse? This whole multiverse will now be from our 200 Kala to 500 Kala to the power of 8. Now we will slowly understand this. First and foremost, we need to understand that there is a point mentioned, isn't it always, that Ahmedabad is the center. The seed form of all centers. Where there will be a seed form, there will the power descend, there will be a lighthouse, and there will be the supreme abode. You must have heard many times about the connection from the seed form, that is yoga. So today we are going to affirm this entire sentence. Because this center point you are seeing today, written as Epic Kamesha's Center. Center written as Ahmedabad Lighthouse. This entire multiverse, the supreme abode exists in this center. This center which is our Ahmedabad center, this ashram, this very center will become our Ahmedabad Lighthouse, which means this will be the supreme abode of the new multiverse that is being created. The center point of the supreme abode will be this place, and the limits of this supreme abode will mean that this supreme abode will spread to our entire universe, as Bapuji tells about our universe. So this whole supreme abode will be up to our universe. Now here Bapuji had said that we will give the power of 200 Kala. Now Bapuji has explained in this picture that first of all the children to whom Bapuji has given the knowledge of the soul, self-knowledge, Brahma knowledge, will bring down the power of 200 Kala. If the children of 200 Kala are unable to bring down their power, then the divine souls connected to Bapuji's knowledge, if they cannot bring down the power of 200 Kala. Because the coming time will be challenging, when we will need to enhance our yogic power and also increase our resolutions of supreme peace. When we will increase our resolutions of supreme peace and bring down the power of 200 Kala as Bapuji has always instructed, we have to position ourselves in the soul form to bring down the supreme light from the supreme abode. We need to take light by looking at the Kitramai Vichitra Roop or form of the Supreme Father, Supreme Soul, and that same light we will bring down to this earth. We will bring it down to our entire multiverse. So when we bring the power of 200 Kala through yoga, this 200 Kala power will descend here. But if the divine souls, all the children are unable to do so, then the entire burden here will be taken by our creator. Now who will be the creators here? This center point, as you know, the entire multiverse consists of a 100 Kala universe. The creator of this is of 101 Kala. This means it is of the first generation. That is why here, the center point will remain as a manifestation of the first generation form. Param Shanti.